Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see what are the mitigations for this vulnerability, that is authentication bypass. So the first point, do not rely on client side only. Make the checks at the server side also. They are very important. You should not allow or you should not rely on just on the client side. If you make that, then it becomes very dangerous. Verifying the client side and taking decisions is very dangerous, as we saw into many of the videos and proof of concept that taking decisions on client side turns out to be very dangerous. Use authentication based on strong tokens such as JSON Web Token mechanism. Use authentication based on encrypted data, which can be AES for example. So these are some of the points that one can use to mitigate these types of attacks. So in this authentication bypass, we learned how one attacker can misuse the functionalities of the web application which are not securely configured and just which are misconfigured and which the attacker can easily attack. Starting from response manipulation, CAPTCHA bypass, two-factor authentication token bypass, we saw many different attacks and proof of concepts in which we were able to bypass these. And lastly, we saw what are the mitigations for these types of attacks. So I hope you guys understood the authentication bypass videos. Thank you so much.